Hello, this is Miss Oric. I'm going to go over no. Hello and welcome to week 3. This is an overview for your culminating project proposal. Now it only shows what's in the screen, so I will be moving the screen up and down a little bit. But you will see in this part there is a line for your student name, the date, and of course your course. Okay. Now, your topic of interest is what you are interested in and how you can tie it to the culminating project expectations. So what that means is in the box here, okay, you are going to put what it is that you are going to make your culminating project about. Okay. So you have to think of something that interests you related to the course, and you're just going to make a statement. My project is going to be about, or the area that I am most interested in is about, and then you'll finish that part. Here is your action, okay, your plan. So what would you like to answer or complete with the culminating project? So again, you're going to maybe say, my plan is to solve a problem as it relates to, and then finish that statement. Okay. So these two are kind of tied together. This is what you're interested in, your topic, and this is more or less your answer to the problem that you're trying to solve or a situation that you're trying to improve. Your resources are how you're going to gather your information. That could be from, excuse me, online resources, different websites. So you would list those websites. If there's a book that you're using, then that's so anything that you're using to gather your information, that's going to go in here. Okay. And then your product ideas. So you might not be sure exactly what it is you're going to do, but you can specify, is it a model that you're going to create? Is it a PowerPoint presentation? Is it a blueprint? Is it a design? So you're going to put what your actual physical project or product is going to be. Your target audience is who it's going to benefit. So maybe your audience is someone in the scientific community, or someone in the mathematical community, or an everyday person. So it's the audience or the people that are going to benefit from your product that you create. And then here are any questions that you would have for me. Maybe you want to say, Ms. Oric, I think I have the right resources, but I'm not sure. Do you think these would be okay? Or I believe that the product that I have is a good idea to start with. What do you think? Or what are some suggestions? So any questions you have for me, you would put here. So again, your name, the date, your course, the topic that you're interested in, your plan, the problem that you're going to solve or you're going to address, what resources you're going to use to do your research, to conduct your research as you begin working on your project, your idea, what it is that you're physically going to create for your project, okay, your actual product, who will benefit from this, and then questions for me. Okay, so these are going to be due at the end of the week. Make sure that you upload and submit that to me so that I can give you my feedback as soon as possible, and then you can start working on your culminating project. Okay, thank you very much. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me.